Happy New Year to everyone. For today's special recipe, I am making cheesecake. So, I'm making blueberry and strawberry cheesecake. So, for the crust, I am using digestive biscuits. You can use any kind of biscuits. So, we have to make fine powder out of it. So, this is how I have made the powder. In the powdered biscuit, I have to mix in some sugar and some melted butter. After you are done with the mixture, you have to use a foil like mine, or if you have a baking tray, that also works. You have to glaze it with some oil, and I am pressing the powdered mixture on the bottom for the crust. After you are done, we have to make the cheesecake filling. So for that, I am using Philadelphia's cream cheese. I am using two since I am making two cheesecakes. This I have already taken out of the fridge from some time now, so it is very soft. I am adding sugar into it and then mixing it properly. Since I want my cheesecake to be smooth and the texture to be very nice and smooth, I am using an electric mixer. I'm going to be using 3 eggs for it. So how we use the eggs is we use one egg first and we mix it thoroughly. After mixing it for 2 to 3 minutes, we add in the other egg, and the same for the next egg as well. After we have a very smooth mixture, I am gonna add just a little bit of flour to it and vanilla essence. This is an extra step that I have done. You can ignore this step if you want, but I'm adding a little bit of lemon zest to it, so it gives a very nice taste. Since I'm making two cheesecakes, I am filling both the foils, and in one goes in the blueberries. After this part is done, I have refrigerated these two for some time, and then I have baked it in the oven for 140 degrees and 45 minutes. I have also made a strawberry compote by cooking strawberries and sugar together. So I'm just putting the strawberry compote on one cheesecake and the blueberry compote on the other one. And that is how you make strawberry and blueberry cheesecake. Thank you.